Hello students. So today we will discuss chapter 6 of our NCERT book class 8th. The chapter is combustion and flame. So we have completed our chapter. Now we have to discuss questions and answers. Okay, so the first question is we have to list the condition under which combustion take place. So in the chapter also I have told you that what are the condition under which the combustion take place. So these conditions are fuel. First condition is fuel. We required fuel. Okay. Then we required air. Air means we required oxygen from the air. And third requirement, that is the heat. Why we require heat? To increase the ignition temperature. Whatever the ignition temperature required, we have to increase to that level. Okay, so that is the answer for our question number first. Now see question number second. Question number second, it is related to fill-ups. Just see what first fill-up is. Burning of wood and coal causes what in the air? That is the pollution. Okay, when we burn wood and coal, it causes pollution in the air of the air. Now, a liquid fuel used in the home is LPG. What is the liquid fuel that is used? That is LPG. Okay. Now, third is fuel must be heated to its dash before it start burning. So before it start burning, we have to increase its level up to the ignition temperature so that it can start burning. Okay, and now see your fourth fill up. Fourth fill up is fire produced by oil cannot be controlled by water. Okay, you know it very well that it can be controlled only by CO2 and all, not by water. Okay, so now see the remaining of the question. Now question number 3 is here. Okay, so just see what question number 3 is about. Question number 3 is explain how CNG in the automobile has reduced pollution in our cities. So we know it very well. I have told you at the last of the chapter that CNG is a cleaner fuel. Why CNG called as a cleaner fuel? Because it produces very less amount of harmful product. The harmful product which are produced by the burning of the other fuels like petrol and diesel, that is sulfur dioxide or oxide of nitrogen and all, they are not produced, or in a very small quantity they are produced, so it is called as cleaner fuel. So when we use CNG, it result in the reduction of the pollution. Okay, now see our question number 4. Our question number 4 is you have to compare LPG and wood as a fuel. Means when you use both as a fuel, you have to compare them, that which one is the better one, which one is not comparatively best. So when we compare it, few of the properties we have defined here, you can use your properties by your own, whatever the properties you like. First property, just see here, energy and unit mass. So when we are talking about the LPG, it produces more energy in comparison to wood. Wood produce less energy in comparison to LPG. Okay. Now when we talk about the pollution, LPG, it is less pollution, create less pollution, and by burning of wood, there is more pollution. Okay. And when we talk about the residue, so LPG leaves no residue, but in comparison would leave ash as a residue. Okay, and when we talk about the storage and transport, LPG is easy to transport, but in comparison would what required, it required more space to store. And one more point you can add, many points you can add. You can add also the calorific value. That calorific value of LPG is higher than wood. What is the calorific value of LPG? That is about 55,000 kilojoule per kg, and for wood it is 6 to 8,000 kilojoule per kg. So you can add as many as properties you want or you know. Okay, now see what our next question is. You have to give reasons. Okay, just see what first reason is. Water is not used to control fire involving the electrical equipment. So just see its answer. Water is not used to control fire. Why? Because if you use water in the fire, that is the because of the electrical equipment, it may conduct electricity and it may harm to those who are trying to douse the fire. So that is the reason behind it. Okay, so now see this one, your answer is, next question was there, why LPG is better than wood. So the answer for it, LPG is a good fuel in comparison to wood because the reasons are it is readily available. Okay, then it is cheap also. And one more reason you can give, it can easily moderate it at a moderate rate, it can burn in the air. So all the example that all the properties that are the properties of the ideal fuel given in your books, you can use them. Okay, our last give reason is that you have to explain that when you give the fire to the paper, it catches fire, but when it is wrapped around the aluminum, okay, pipe, so why it does not catch fire? Because what is the reason? Because the ignition temperature of paper is low as compared to the wrapped around an aluminum pipe. So that is your answer. Okay, now look, question number 6 is here. In question number 6, you have to make a label diagram of a candle flame. So just see, this diagram is in your book also. This is the outermost zone. You have to give the label also. These all are the labels. That is the diagram and label also. So middle zone, innermost, then hottest part, moderate, least. All these things you have to mention clearly. Now see, here is our question number 7. Okay, so just see what our question number 7 is. Question number 7 is, you have to name the unit in which calorific value of fuel is expressed. So what is the unit? Unit is kilojoule per kg, because what calorific value is? Calorific value is when you burn 1 kg of fuel, whatever the amount of heat you are getting. Okay, now see here our question number 8. So what our question number 8 is? Have a look here. Question number 8 is, you have to explain how CO2 is able to control fire. This is our question number 8. So how CO2 work? CO2 is heavier than oxygen. CO2 is heavier than oxygen. So if it is heavier than oxygen, it covers the fire like blanket. Okay, and what happens? Contact between the fuel and the oxygen is cut off. So fire can be easily controlled. Okay, so we can easily control the fire because the connection is cut off. Okay, one or more reason, if you leave, then what happens? The fire can be easily controlled. Now see our question number 9. Question number 9 is, it is difficult to burn a heap of green leaves, but dry leaves catches fire easily. This you have to explain. So ignition temperature, why it happens? Because ignition temperature of green leaves is higher than that of dry leaves. So what happens? That is the reason why dry leaves catches fire easily. Okay, now just see our question number 10 is here. So now see, have a look here. Question number 10, it is related to it is related to goldsmith. So the question is, which zone of a flame does a goldsmith use for melting gold and silver, and why? So this question is also in your book. Which zone they are using? They are using the outermost zone. Why? Because it is the hottest zone. Because complete combustion takes place there, it is the hottest zone, so they are using that zone. Okay, now our next question, it is a numerical question. Okay, so you have to find the answer. See what is given to you, that this much kg of fuel, it is completely burned, heat produced is that much. You have to find the calorific value. So how to find out the calorific value? It is kilojoule per kg. So for finding it, you just learn that formula. Calorific value is equals to heat produced upon mass of fuel. So whatever the heat produced upon mass of fuel, and when we solve it, it is this much. So this we can easily solve if we know the formula. Okay, now see here question number 12. So what question number 12 is, can the process of rusting be called combustion? Now see, what are the properties of the combustion? Okay, in combustion heat is evolved. Okay, but in rusting not so much of heat is evolved. So, and rusting, it is very slow process. In comparison to combustion, it is slow process. Again, rusting can take place at a room temperature in the moist air, but combustion, it needs ignition temperature. So we cannot consider both as the same process. Both are the different processes. Okay, now see, and many more reasons you can give in that we required fuel. Rusting can only happens in the iron and all. So we can give many of the reasons. Okay, now see our question number 13. one activity is given to you that Adiba and Ramesh, they both are doing experiment. And what was the experiment? Water was heated in a beaker. Now Adipa kept the beaker near the wick of a yellow part of the flame, and where Ramesh kept in the outermost part. Now the question is, whose water will get heated in a shorter time? So just see what the answer is. Outermost part is the hottest one. So Rakesh water will get heated in a shorter time. So all these are the solution for your exercise which I have explained, and a screenshot of this answer I will send you in your WhatsApp group. From that screenshot you can complete your answers. Okay, till then learn them, read it out, and stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.